Hey, what's up? This is Jerry with Wealth Dynamics. I want to thank you for joining me this Friday. I want to make sure also that you know that I help people make money, keep it, and multiply it. The reason why is that I did not buy the story that you should be trading your time for money for the next 40 years of life just so that you can live in mediocrity and struggle to pay your bills every other Friday. So, the reason I'm doing this video today, my intention today is to share with you the secret weapon that you probably don't even know you have access to. It's called a self-directed solo 401k. Now, this is not an ordinary 401k. This money does not go to Wall Street. Essentially what this is it's like setting up your very own trust. You must be self-employed. You must have no employees for this. You have to be qualified. And if you are, I want to share this information with you. So the first thing here is this account allows you to do what's called a rollover. A rollover is essentially when you've already put money into your 401k account and you don't know what to do with it because it's locked up in Wall Street, but you no longer work there. You can actually roll that whole account into a self-directed solo 401k. There's no Wall Street management fees. There's nothing like that. You get full access to the money. You can actually invest it in real estate. You can invest it in private lending. Okay, the second thing here is contributions. As the business owner, you are your own employee, right? So you can contribute up to $18,500 per year into your solo 401k account. Now, if you're married, you and your spouse get to do this. All right, so that's great. That's about $37,000 per year that you can put into the 401k. Now, you do need to do a Roth contribution. Do not do a pre-tax contribution. You're going to get screwed on the back end when you pull the money out. Okay, now in addition to that, your company can actually match up to 25% of your profits. 25% of your profits annually with a total balance between contribution and match of about $55,000 per person. Okay, so what that means is if you're an individual, between your contribution and your profit sharing, you can put $55,000 per year into this account and have it be totally tax-free. If you're married, you can do that twice. You can do $110,000 into the account per year and have it be tax-free. That's pretty awesome. Now, in addition to that, there's more. You can borrow 50% of your balance up to a maximum loan value of $50,000 out of the account and use it for anything. You can use it for real estate. You can invest it into your business. You can do whatever you want to do with it, and you actually structure your own loan repayment schedule back to yourself over a 5-year period, set your own interest rate. So here's what I would do on this. You're going to borrow from the account. I want you to borrow whatever your value is, use that for real estate, generate passive income, have that passive income pay your loan back, but make sure that you borrow and set the interest rate high enough to where your cash flow can't actually pay the full loan payment. Now, why would I say for you to do that? Because you then have to supplement it from your income. So what does that effectively do? It allows you to funnel more money into the account on the back end through a loan repayment. As long as you have a reasonable interest rate, you can do that. And essentially the big picture of this is you want a giant, massive pool of money inside this 401k account sitting there growing tax-free via real estate and private lending. And when you pass away, you've got this giant trust basically that's going to get passed to a beneficiary. They'll inherit it tax-free as well. You've just created a trust fund for your legacy. Your kids will get this account. It'll be tons of money, tax-free growing. They can continue to grow it. And then when they pass away, they can pass it to their kids and it can continue going down the generational line tax-free. You can literally get it to where your family does not have to operate via the tax system anymore because it's all in this 401k account via Roth contributions. So I want you to check this account out. I wrote an article about it today. Go ahead and check this out. It's called the Solo 401k, Your Secret Weapon. Read this article. If you're interested in setting an account up like this, seeing if you're eligible for it, reach out to me. Like, share, subscribe. Have a great Friday. I'll talk to you soon.